Want to shrink your video size without losing quality? Most people mess this up by skipping one simple tab. Watch until the end. I'll show you the exact settings pros use. Launch Handbrake and click the Open Source button in the top left corner. That's your starting point. Keep watching. This next step is where beginners rush. Select File to open a single video, then browse and pick the video you want to compress. Important: choose the right file now or you'll have to start over. Here's where the magic happens. Go to the Dimensions tab. Set resolution limit to 1080 PHD and make sure optimal size is checked. This keeps quality high while killing file size. Don't skip this. Next, the Filters tab. Turn everything to off. Detlef sign, diner lace, all of it. Unless your video is old or weird, leaving these on will actually hurt your quality. Common mistake, avoid it. Now go to the Video tab. Set your encoder to H264. It's the gold standard. Then slide constant quality to around 23.5 RF. That's the sweet spot. Great clarity, small file. Write that number down. In the Audio tab, set bitrate to 192. Crisp sound without bloat, then hit the green Start Encode button at the top. That's it, your compressed video is on the way. Want even smaller? In my next video, I'll show you the advanced settings for 720p. Hit subscribe so you don't miss it.